Alright, I bugged my chat. I don't know where my chat is. Guess I have to open it on my phone. I'm really curious to see if we're gonna hold this 1 hour bullish for value gap. Or we're gonna go take down the low of yesterday's 9 a.m. or even previous day low.
Yeah, the lows I'm looking at is previous day 9 a.m. Yeah.
Even previous day low. We're in the bottom portion of yesterday's range, so. Anyways, we'll see. There's news at 10 o'clock also.
Red folder.
Yeah. Yes, sir, indeed. Yeah, bro, let's buy our movie tickets. The guy said he might be out of the country, but he already bought tickets out of the country.
Bro.
It's actually insane. It's like what you said. Everything he says is bullshit.
Just a lie all the time, bro.
Bro, but that's like narcissistical lying.
I got my first X.
Baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. I slept like shit. I'm like so fat I fall asleep on my arms and I wake up and my arms are numb. I don't think we're gonna continue upper yet. I don't think it's finished. This looks to me like it's gonna be a
Yeah.
little trap.
I don't know. ES came down before bullish. It just felt an internal low. You could start to head up.
We have equal lows
ES
on the
is
1 minute
looking
with
like
ES.
ES is looking like it's very possible to start to go.
Good morning, AD.
Thank you for coming on Side Restoration. This is David. How may I help you today?
Yo, mute toi, bro. Good morning, Kathleen. All right, enjoy. Don't forget, chat, you have red folder news at 10 a.m. You don't want to be caught in a trade on at 9:59 and 10 o'clock hits and you get a 100-point candle. And if you are, hopefully it goes in your favor. So chat, what I'm looking for is maybe one more manipulation to the downside, and we'll have a continuation to the upside. And we could target this high up here that was made at 834. The AM buy side is a very nice clean high to go grab all the time. I would want one more little retrace and hopefully get an entry near the bottom. Just have to be careful. We got 10 a.m. news as well. Well, the candles today are actually humongous again. What are the size of the candles here? 40, 50 point candles again. That's insane.
Wow.
Hello.
Yeah, this is a trade.
You got a better entry?
Yeah.
I wanted to push here. Do that fucking EMA. Yo,
I
my
don't know if
tummy
it's a good
hurts.
trade. I got a good enough fill for break even. I don't know. I wasn't looking at my charts. I don't know if it's a good 100% trade.
Risk free is always better. Break even. Oh, you had a great fill. I thought you already got break even.
Oh, you heard that?
Yeah, that one I heard.
Yeah, okay, let me take a look at my charts. So where are we? We tapped into a 5.
We got news soon.
Sure, we got news at 10, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll wait till after 10.
Think news is gonna drive us higher or lower? I always like guessing. I think higher. I really like that high to go grab at 834. Looks pretty clean. We got news in 3 minutes. I'm a bit nauseous. The protein shake was heavy. Ooh. I would really like for 10 a.m. news to push us a little bit down, and then we could go maybe target this high up here at the 395 area. Get ready for news.
About
1 minute. What's your guess, up or down? I say up.
I have no idea.
That 314 high looks too clean on the 15. Look how much it's moving. 20 seconds before news. Look at the orders coming in. Look at the spread. It's 3. It's like a machine gun. Oh my god, it's insane. Oh my god.
Kind of messed up that trade. I shouldn't have really been break even.
Yeah, no, it was just the uncertainty because you weren't paying attention and you didn't
Yeah, I
have the
know.
full analysis before entering.
It's a way harder one, in this condition. However, it's okay.
Bro, imagine people trading minis right now. How fast P&L must flicker. It's so funny, your click sounds like little gunshots.
Bang, 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 bang.
Bang bang. You're completely fucked. You're completely fucked. Bro, these candles are humongous.
Yeah, they're okay though. Not crazy, crazy.
They're about 50 points. 50. AD, you find any trade today? Did you catch any monsters? It's too bad the stop was so big. I should have taken that SMT trade. Fucking stop is humongous. Je suis tellement down l'essayer en plus.
Yeah, I have a trade here. This closes green.
That's where we're conflicting. Alright, well I won't go against.
Push through the high.
Wait, ES taps 6 o'clock? Look how far we are from it.
Pushing me a big green one.
Yep, I'm hoping to for you. Push! Push! My soldiers do not buckle and yield! Push! Come on, ES, go for that Asia buy side, bring in Q higher. And Q is lagging behind so much.
Break even.
You took it. Break even.
Yeah, once it pushed above those highs, I wanted to see speed. I don't play with that, or it takes a bunch of internal highs. The trade is a fast continuation, especially the fact that ES already took a lot of liquidity. I wanted to see like real big, strong candles to push up really fast. I want to see it play here. Because of that 1 minute for value gap at 834. I wanted it to like push into there and like show speed.
Push. Look how far ES is. ES is about to take out Asia buy side.
Yeah.
And Q is behind by, bro,
I'm pissed I moved my
230
stop.
points.
I'm pissed I moved my stop early on the first trade, bro. I wasn't on my charts, bro. I didn't have all my, like, I didn't even know what was going on, I just saw my entry.
Hey, no skills, and I don't know, I'm not home. No idea. No idea. How's your morning, no skills? Anything interesting? Any trades? Down today? That sucks.
It's
Yeah, I'm
all part
starting
of
to
the
get
game.
impatient.
Doesn't suck. It's part of the game.
Still sucks, though. Part of the game. Part of the game to be down sometimes, but it still hurts. It's not fun. It's like playing a sport. Sometimes you'll lose, but it ain't fun losing. Are you done for the day, no skills, or you still have trade to try to make it back? Meta is pumping today. Yeah, I saw Meta's pumping like crazy today. Meta be pumping. Yeah, it's better. On days that you're a bit down, if you don't think you could control yourself, the evaluations could leave in like 2 seconds. It's better to leave them alone and come back tomorrow. Yeah, touch grass and roll it up. Exactly, you got it. Those were my mistakes in the beginning. I had evals and I'd blow through one, two, three a day. You gotta learn to control yourself. 'Cause they do leave quick. And then one day you wake up and you tell yourself, well, you have to learn patience. You don't have patience, you should just wrap it up. It's a beautiful morning. Find me a trade, my patience is running out. I think up is the move though. It looks a little bit more way more bullish than bearish today.
Yeah, it really does.
Oh, good. Another big SMT. It's a beautiful morning. Oops, sorry chat. A little burp came out.
What flavor was the burp?
Blueberry and chocolate. Wow, we got a big bearish SMT, man. So funny, MNQU took out this internal high at 1018, and MNQ and NQ did not. I hate when they're so different. We're consolidating a bit over here. It'd be so nice if we come up and swoop these two highs and have a black candle closure below. Come on, NQ, give it to us. It's a beautiful morning. If only YouTube let you put music in the background. We kind of have three equal highs over here. Yeah, these highs should be taken. Come on, green candle, soup these highs, and we'll have a black to come back down. Green candle, green candle, green candle. Green candle, green candle. David, if this is a nice black candle, is it your setup short?
No, I don't take trades in consolidations, especially not when we look bullish. I would never take a short. Not here. And the first black candle at 1027 is not good. I have no reason to be bearish yet.
Bro, my SMT trade hasn't been showing up, and QNES have been so different lately. Who's playing today? What are the World Cup matches? USA, Belgium, right? Yeah. England is playing at 12 versus Congo. Belgium, USA. Well, USA should continue. Belgium and Senegal is going to be a good one. And England should continue as well. The Congo people are going to go crazy. They're probably all hoping they're going to beat England. This World Cup, so many underdogs took either tied or won, or Germany got kicked out by Paraguay. Was it Paraguay? I think Paraguay in penalty shots. Anything happens in this World Cup, it's crazy. Beautiful morning. Hey, that guy that trades at 929 candle must be happy. It's a beautiful morning.
Beat shebang.
I keep yawning. You ever fall asleep on your side and you wake up and your arms are like completely numb? You know, it even woke me up from a dream. I had a dream that I couldn't move my arm in my dream, and like my arm was like just completely shut frozen. And then I woke up from my dream and my hand was completely numb. My big fat ass was blocking the circulation. Why? I went outside this morning. Did you see how humid it was? 84% humidity, 28 degrees in the morning, 26 degrees, 27. It's hot and humid. What you saying, TA? Good morning, JC. Y'all talking shit? Well, they've been really doing their own thing, yes, and NQ recently. Where the hell is that 95 to 98 percent correlation? I don't see it. Yes, it's still all the way up, but before that 6 p.m. Took out Asia buy side, just to put in perspective. Asia buy side for NQ's up here. Yeah, I should have joined them today. Just I feel bad sometimes when I join and it's their show, and when I talk, sometimes I feel like I'm overstepping. I'll join next Wednesday morning. Normally I do one session with them a week. I'll join them next Wednesday AM session. I know normally Mike joins us on the PM session. I don't know if today he's going to be trading the PM, but we'll see. I'll be back for sure. They should let you and No Skills join the live once. Wouldn't that be fun? Some people of the community join sometimes the live just for like an hour or 30 minutes and just talk and have a good time. I feel like that's something I would have done. When I was watching the streamers, I would have wished to have like 30 minutes on a live too. Share ideas and just chill. Makes you feel like you're part of a community. Alex didn't take a trade and David got a break even. Bro, just go for it, trading ever after, even if it's just for a bit, to go enjoy. I'm sure it'd be fun. What you doing, Dave?
Nothing. I'm on my charts here. Yeah, we tapped into an hour bearish and we rejected a bit.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. I would love a green candle, one more soup into this fair value gap. Take out the equal bodies. But I've been so patient lately. Give me a trade. That's a big bearish candle. Anyone else from Canada? Canada Day for anybody else? Everyone's off, but we're on the markets, on our charts. Can't be the only ones from Canada. It's a nationwide holiday. Everybody's outside enjoying the sun, and we're inside on our charts, huh? Dedication. I'm in Canada and I follow the US holidays. When US has off, I'm off. When Canada has off where I live, I'm not off. TA, but us too today, it's crazy hot. The humidity outside's like 83 and it's like 28, 29 degrees and it's going up to 34, 35 today. So with the humidity 80, any sweat is not disappearing. That shit's staying on your body. It won't be able to evaporate. It's too wet. It's too humid. I remember last year I went to go play pickleball with my brother and a couple friends, and it was so humid outside that all of our sweat was just sticking on our body. It's like we had a wetsuit on. It's like I had armor just full of sweat, and it was so humid it wouldn't even evaporate nor leave. It would just stick there. Wow, and Q's very weak today. Trailing far back behind in ES, and ES is still holding pretty much at all-time highs of the day. And Q ain't looking good. Yeah, I don't know, but I'll tell you how much it is right now. Right now it's 28 degrees. Feels like 30. And the humidity went down to 78 from 83. So it's wet and hot. Yeah, MC, let me tell you how much it is in F though. Okay, it's about 85. 85, and it's gonna go to our high today is gonna be 95 Fahrenheit. They issued a heat warning. The high of day is gonna be 85, not 85, 95. Wow, look at ES, still standing pretty strong. Must be so rough to live in a country with like 32 degrees and you have like no AC. I think the issue is I'm so used to having cold around me when it's so hot my body can't handle it. I just sweat like a pig. What up, Martin? As you can see, my number's still at 0. I still haven't found a trade. None of my trades are coming by because I need ES and NQ to be very similar in price action. So unfortunately, I'm Mr. Patient this week. Patience, young Padawan. It's been hard being patient. I want to trade. Yeah, David's at 8 and he got a break even this morning. So he still didn't break that win streak. The guy's like Jason Bourne. He's been doing well. He's tied with his record right now, actually. If he wins his next trade, he'll break his record. And the trade he got break even this morning, if he would have held it, it would have been a winner too. Wow, yes is really the strong man today. Yeah, ES is way stronger. Took out Asia buy side. We're like 300 points behind on NQ. ES shows really no signs of slowing down. I mean, we're consolidating a little bit on ES since 10 o'clock, but we're much lower on NQ. Well, that's the issue. Most of the time it is a hedge because they're supposed to be almost perfectly correlated. It's one of the most correlated assets, or like 0.95, 0.97. They're pretty much correlated. This last week, they haven't been too correlated. David is the Mbappe. Yo, I think France has been playing so well. They have a great chance to win the World Cup. France together as a team, they play so well. Okay, so typically the correlation between ES and NQ is 0.88 to 0.94. So yeah, most of the time, if you're longing one, shorting one, it's hedging. And I'm like Algeria striker. Hey, bro. In French, we say t'es pas gentil. It means you're not nice. What's up, NQ futures? I'm in shorts, bro. After 5 minute sweep. I know you're still at this 5 minute sweep. Yeah, to be honest, shorts look a little bit cleaner at the moment. Of course, I know, Martin, you're joking. Yeah, shorts look a little bit better at the moment. I see here we tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap and we rejected pretty strong off it. Looks like we will probably want to fill up the gap and close this fair value gap. So my targets would be the previous day low and the low at yesterday's 9 a.m. if we continue pushing lower. Whoops, not on the 10. On the 15 minute as well, we had one more sweep here into that fair value gap and then we pushed down pretty strong as well. Did you say 5 minute or 15 minute? Where are you here? 5 minute sweep you. It's just I don't really have a trade to take. Yeah, you said M5, right? Yeah, unfortunately, NQ, my setups are all in the 1 minute, especially that they don't even happen that often on the 1 minute. If I go to the higher time frames, I'm waiting even longer. And I've been so patient this week. The markets are really testing me. I'm doing my best to stay patient. I've been patient as a motherfucker. Yeah, Mr. Alex Zen. Do it with me. Find me a trade. Martin, how was your morning this morning? How was your morning this morning? How was your morning is what I meant. And how did Mike do? Anybody see Mike? How did Mike do? Matthew McConaughey. It's a woozy, it's a wazi. It doesn't exist. It's fairy dust. Such a good actor, Matthew McConaughey. Yeah, one micro. The markets, the candles are completely big, so NQ futures. I hope you're not roasting. 146 is a good target on a 50K account. I go for about 200 a trade on my 50Ks. One and done for me. Better to be one and done. I've been Mr. No Trade for a couple of days. Martin, I wouldn't be surprised. I know the market has been completely bullish lately. So to be honest, longs always look cleaner than shorts, especially now look at this buy side. All that liquidity that we have to go grab in these three little equal highs. And to be honest, the high that looks the sweetest to me is the high at 834. This high up here at 395 looks so clean to go grab. And it depends because right now we are respecting bearish order flow. I know we're in a 1 hour bullish for value gap, but we will see. We have another 15-minute bearish for value gap right here, and look, we swept here in continuation. So normally we should be looking for further lows. It's like you're in between bullish and bearish PD arrays. And since the market has been a lot bullish, a lot more bullish lately, I have to lean more towards bullish, unfortunately. But again, it's not our job to predict, our job is to react. So I'm gonna see what price is doing and I'll react based off that. Hey, where did the little streak go? Looks like up's the move. Anybody have beautiful weather and have plans for the rest of the day? For those that are in the green, or even those that took a loser and have to follow the rules and get off? Wow, really testing my patience this week. What are we, Wednesday already? Can I hold to IB high? IB high. Martin, hold till 395. No balls, diamond hands, Martin, come on. 395. Hold till 395. Three, nine, five. If you add them up, it's 17. You know what that means? It's a number divided by itself and 1. It's a nice prime number to go grab. It's like priming meat. Diamond hands, Martin, diamond hands. Say it with me. 395. What was your stop? You have to give it a little bit of room. Because we got fair value gaps on the leg on the way down, so you have to at least give yourself a bit of well, I mean, I can't tell you what to do. It's not my trade, but you should give it a little bit of room, even especially that. Oh no, we didn't make equal highs. I'm fucking blind. It's an SMT. I thought we made equal highs here. I was gonna say hold, especially equal highs. We always go tend to grab them. Martin, you're not a pussy. You didn't just say, it's just because you didn't say it with me. 395. Heads or tails? Heads, I'm logging. Short, I'm selling. Tails, I'm selling. I need a massage. I need to be patient. I'm completely fucked. We're just playing ping pong. Push-ups, bro. Go, go. 50. I don't even think I could do 50 at my weight. No, I'm kidding. I could for sure do 50. Look at these guns. That's a sleeper build. 50 minimum. 50 maximum. All this to come back down? What the fuck, man?
We're going down, bro. Look at ES, bro.
You fucking with me, man?
Absolute on a rip, and then Q hasn't moved nowhere.
You know. Okay, handle chat 2 minutes. I gotta do PP fast fast.
Oh, probably with the beat.
Gareth Bale, Bale, Bale. I started feeding a squirrel and now he comes to see me. In the mornings, he's walking by the patio door looking for his nuts. Gareth Bale, Bale, Bale. If I don't take a trade today, it's gonna be 3 days without a trade. Smash my monitor. And we're gonna go right back up, I think. Find me trade, David. Find me trade. Should be doing yoga. Martin, you got those diamond hands, baby? Martin P has butterfingers. I'm so pussy. Ah! Bro, Mike, I swear you have to be like part retarded. Okay, good for you. You passed 3. But yeah, your lucky number is still what is it, 20 max? So yeah. 6. Even 6 is me being generous. Four is the magic number. Five is the magic number. 6 is the magic number. Your magic number is still number 6. Bro, Martin, I told you, you gotta keep those diamond hands. You gotta say it with me. 395. 395. Especially the high that you wanted for. I'm guessing you wanted the high at 328. Look at these equal highs up here. They're relatively equal highs. 4 is the magic number. Wow, scalpers must have so much more fun than I do. It's the 5th or the 4th session. I did Monday, AM, PM, no trade. Tuesday, PM, no trade. We are Wednesday morning, and I'm still looking for my setups to happen. It's crazy how some days they're like close to happening every day, and for 3 days now I almost haven't had one. Where did you go? My setup. Do 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 do. I wanna know. Where did you go? I'm tweaking, chat. I'm a tweaker. I wanna know. Here, Martin, you want another trade? Take this long. There you go. Go, Martin. Go, Martin. Go, Martin. From 238. 238? Ooh! Ooh, Martin, go! This is one of my old setups, so I don't take them now, my fundeds, but this is one of my old setups, a sweep into a fair value gap on a black candle and a closure above. So go for your target now. Is your target up here? Is it the 327.25? Ooh, whoa. That's a crazy pushback right when we took those relatively highs up here. Wanna hold till 395. Hold. Martin, last time I worked when I blew on the chart. It's for you, Martin. Look what happens when I blow. I'm telling you, when I blow for you, Martin. Okay, that sounds so gay. But it worked. Ah. Martin, should I add a number one to beside my name or do I stay at 0? That sounded so gay, Martin. You see what happens when I blow for you? Hey, yo. Daddy, chill. Oh, diamond hands for the 395. Diamond hands. Oh my god. How we're doing gay stuff. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Martin, should my number stay at 0 or is that correct? I get a 1 over here. What a sad number to look at, 0. Whoa, I wanna know. I'm bored, chat. Bro, again, I mean, Q takes that internal high, and yes, and Q doesn't. Like, what the fuck? Kura Matata. Kura Matata. Martin, look where we're going. Where do you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cat Nacho? What I do a lifetime ago? Martin's still holding the trade. He's going for 395. Yeah, I know, I know. If only we could tell the future. If only we were able to tell the future. Patience is key. It's boring, but I have no other way to succeed. Patience is the way. I do it drunk. It's Canada Day. I think today's the day I should have been trading drunk. I should have just bought evals for fun and traded them drunk. It was the perfect day. I haven't even bought an eval for in a while now. I don't remember when was the last time I bought an eval. Today would have been the day. Would I been Cat and Joe? I've been married a long time ago. Do you actually drink that much beer? Do you eat healthy or exercise at least, or you just completely destroy your liver? All right, chat. I'm gonna call it quits here. There's anything I like, and I'll be back around 1:15 in the afternoon. I'll trade the PM session live. So thank you all for joining. I appreciate it. Whoops, I clicked the wrong thing. Subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys later in the PM session if you guys are still here. Enjoy, everyone. Have a wonderful day.